Hi everybody, it's Miss Segura. It is Thursday, April the 2nd, and I just wanted to go ahead and give you a few more updates. I'm sure most of you have already heard that the school closure has been extended until May the 1st. Until then, we will be providing digital online learning as we see it now. And I promise you it will get a little bit easier and a little bit better the more we use it and the more comfortable we get with it. And just know that I am learning just like you guys are. If you have any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask me. You can reach me on Class Dojo. We do also have daily Zoom meetings where all three third grade teachers get together with students, and students are able to ask questions. Maybe they need help with an assignment. We go ahead and help them at that time. Maybe they're just having an issue finding a link, or they need help with their password. That's the place to also join in and ask us. And if you don't know where the Zoom meeting is or where to find that, I'm going to go ahead and show you now. Go ahead and go to your Jaffet third grade classroom, and it's going to be on your stream page. You can go ahead and scroll down, and it's right here, April 1st, under Alexandra Carter. You're going to go ahead and click on Launch Meeting. And it's going to ask you if you want to open it up. Go ahead and open zoom.us. And you should see something else. There it is. So, like I said, if you join in anytime before 2 o'clock, it'll tell you that you're waiting for the host to start the meeting. And at 2 o'clock, it'll open up, and then you'll see the video screen, and you'll be able to test your computer audio equipment as well. So that's where to find us every day at 2 o'clock. I'll go ahead and close that now. And like I said, if you can't find the link, you don't know where it went, just go ahead and send me a message on Dojo, and I will be more than happy to send you that link. Okay, back to our Google Classroom. I also wanted to let you know that next week, and I'm going to go to that now. Next week, we are going to go ahead and open up week 2 for you. If you log in right now, you won't be able to see this because I have it scheduled to open up on April the 6th. However, I can show you kind of what it looks like now. It's going to be pretty much the same thing as you had this week. But of course, you will have different assignments. So we are still working on it. That's why it's not available for you to see yet. As you can see, we are already adding some lessons in there. And if you don't know how to access your links or how to access Google Classroom, let me know and I can send out some videos for you to find that. And that is all for today. If you want to use Stream to communicate with us, you can also ask your questions here. As you can see, we have some of your classmates asking us questions. Some students stop by just to say hi, just to let us know how much they miss us, and that's fine. You can write your messages on this board. We don't mind. All right, I'm going to go ahead and close for now. If you have any questions, like I said, please don't hesitate to ask. Don't be embarrassed. Like I said, if I can't find the answer for you, I will find somebody to help me and get that answer out to you. Thanks and have a good day.